Imagine a measurement system that combines unmatched accuracy, speed, and simplicity. Meet the Quick Image System with M3, a tool designed to transform how you measure parts and features. Whether you're upgrading from hand tools or profile projectors, the Quick Image System brings advanced capability to your workflow, all while remaining easy to use. The Quick Image System is a 2D vision measuring machine, or VMM, designed for precise dimensional measurements in X and Y. With its intuitive touch interface and advanced M3 software, it delivers accurate results for diameters, distances, and GD&T functions like true position and parallelism. Unlike traditional tools, the Quick Image captures hundreds of data points instantly, eliminating manual effort and operator error. What sets the Quick Image apart? First, its 22mm depth of field ensures even 3D parts remain in focus. No time wasted adjusting for height differences. Its 90mm working distance accommodates taller parts, while a 32mm by 24mm field of view captures more detail in every frame. The M3 software takes ease of use to the next level. With part recognition, simply place the part in view, and the system automatically identifies it and runs the correct program. It's that simple. For larger parts, the system stitches multiple images into one seamless view, allowing accurate measurements up to 400mm by 200mm. Mitutoyo's reputation for quality is built into every Quick Image system. From our optics to our castings, nearly every component is manufactured in-house. This control ensures unmatched precision and reliability. With A2LA accredited calibration and compatibility with Mitutoyo's measuring software, you can trust that your measurements are accurate, traceable, and compliant with FDA CFR Part 11 standards. The Quick Image System delivers speed and precision without compromise. It removes the guesswork, giving you confidence in every measurement, whether it's a small part or a complex component. Better optics mean better measurements. With Mitutoyo's high-quality lenses, you'll see details that competitors might miss. Are you ready to take the next step? Contact us today for a Quick Image demo, or contact your local distributor to learn how this revolutionary tool can enhance your workflow. Experience precision like never before.